This is an introduction for parents to Fusion's new version, Fusion NG, next generation. On any device, on a computer or any mobile device, you can log in at your school's own login page. Your username will normally be your email address and a password. If you have more than one child in school, it will take you to a screen where you can choose which child you want to look at. So I'm logged in as Estelle Fry, and I'm the mother of Georgia Fry, and I'm looking at Georgia's work on Fusion, as if I was flying over it and looking down into it. I can't change things or do things, but I can view as a parent. For our existing parents, there's only a few things which have changed on the parent portal, and I'll just draw your attention to those. On the right hand side, underneath the profile picture of your child, you will see a menu that deals entirely with your child's account. For menu items that deal with your own parent account, go to this left-hand menu and you'll see your options here. So you can change the settings of your own VLE account, you can change your language. There's a link here to download the app. In here there's links to both the Google and the Apple app stores where you can download the app. And it also provides information on your school ID. Once you've downloaded the app, you enter your school ID first, and then you enter your username and password as normal. You also use this menu to sign out. Wherever you are on the parent portal, there's now a menu here where you can go to anywhere else that you need to go, so you can go directly to homework and see your child's homework from here, or you can go back to the home page and view as normal. This is an example of a parent portal, and your school may have other things switched on. The other thing you may notice, the school blog is no longer here, it's under News. So I can click on here and any school news items will be listed. To view the school calendar, click on Calendar. The items along the top are to do with the school's communication with you as a parent, and all of these lower links are all about your child's learning. We hope you enjoy using the new version, Fusion NG.